Good afternoon, planner people. I thought I'd come on for just a moment here and do an unboxing of the Tiffany Croc simulated leather strap binder. It's a brand new release from Tonya Plans. The size is classic and it does have rings. So what I've done is I removed the label that has my address, and I've also cut open the box just for the sake of simplicity while I'm recording here. And I just wanted to show you how it comes packaged. Put this down. Okay, so well, first and foremost, there is a very thoughtful note included, and it is from Tonya, and it reads, "Hi Jovi, thank you so much. Feel free to email me," and with her email address if I have any questions, and it's really cute. So thank you, Tonya. And then, of course, we've got the bubble wrap. Pull this off. And a very elegant looking box here. And it does contain a quote, "Helping you stay organized so this can be your best year yet." I love that. And you've got the Tonya Plans little logo here on the right hand side at the bottom. Okay, so opening, let's continue with this unboxing, and oh, there she is. She's beautiful. Okay. Let's box over here. So the binder does come inside of a plastic bag, as you can see, and you got a little silica gel packet. Okay, so right on the outside, you can tell there's a pocket here, which is very convenient. And Tonya did say, and I see this now, and I can actually feel it actually, where the strap is a little bit difficult to pull open, which is, I mean, I've got no complaints about that. I love that because then it'll just remain sturdy as time goes on. Sometimes they wear and they end up being a little bit flimsy and loose. So I do like the fact that it's nice and kind of taut when you put it in there. Okay, so continuing. Okay, so this is a beautifully made planner, in my opinion. It is so elegant. It is truly breathtaking. I love the color and I love the feel of it. I love this zipper. It's nice and smooth. I like that. You've got this pocket here for convenience. You've got the 3 pen loops, as Tonya mentioned. Also, you've got the clear, I don't recall what this is, what the proper name is for this insert, but it's quite lovely. And of course it does have, let me see if I can show you. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but it does have her logo here on it, on the plastic. You've got your card inserts here, and let's see, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 of those. Let me grab a card and see how the card looks. So, okay, so peeks out at the top. Pretty easy to just pull it right out of there. And then also bottom one. Okay, so if you were to put your driver's license in here, it would be pretty secure because it's way in there. So that's pretty neat. Okay. All right, so you've got your flyleaf, And then of course some more card slots here, which, let's try this. We'll just peek out a little, I mean, just a hair, which is great because you can just pull it out easily. And also, if you've got a credit card, the same, the very top. So it's easy to pull out. Okay, let's talk about some deets here. Oh, and before I go into that, let me just show you, you've got 3 pockets here. 2 are full length pockets, and the 2 at the bottom here, I assume that will hold a business card. No, but you could do kind of like a side view here. Okay. And again, this fits the Franklin Planner Classic inserts. All right, so I ordered it on the day that it dropped, which was March 24th. That was a Thursday. I received it March 26th, which was yesterday, Saturday. Today I'm filming this on Sunday, March 27th. I received free shipping because I am in the US, and it was sent by United States Postal Service, priority mail. Now, I will tell you that Tonya did a phenomenal job as far as providing plenty of order status updates by email. So right after I placed the order, immediately I received a confirmation email giving me my order number and just kind of working as a receipt, if you will. And then once it was shipped, which I think the planner was shipped, if not that same afternoon, the following morning, but it was just, it felt like an immediate shipment was sent out. So that was great. There was no waiting for that. Now, once I was advised that it had been shipped, I received also a tracking number and instructions on how to track the package. Didn't even really have to use the tracker because, as I said, it was at my doorstep within 2 days, which I thought was phenomenal, especially given that I did not pay for shipping. It was free, included in the order, which I thought was, I mean, just a really nice touch. So the dimensions are 7 by 6 wide, and it's 9.5 inches tall, and then it's 2.5 inches deep. Okay, it holds page size 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, which of course is the classic size. What else can I tell you? The ring size, that's 1.5 inches, and this should hold 12 monthly tabs, 12 months of weekly planner pages, and also 4 months of daily pages. And as I said previously, I will be using the Franklin Planner Classic inserts with this in order to schedule my days. So I'll go ahead and link below Tonya's video where she does a much better and a much more thorough walkthrough of the binder and all of its wonderful features. And also linked will be the website where you can purchase the binder. And I will tell you, I am not at all affiliated with Tonya Plans, or even Franklin Planner, you know, as far as that goes. I am just, you know, truly, I've just been obsessed with this binder from the moment that Tonya introduced it about a month ago on her channel. And I was just so looking forward to receiving it and beginning my planning journey. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. This is actually my first video. So, all right, that is it for me. Thank you for being so generous with your time. Be well, and please get at it. And until next time. Bye.